This is a short video on how to move Google Docs around in your Drive. The Foursquare form is a Google Doc. What you're looking at here is a forced copy of the Foursquare form. I did put a link to a forced copy in the body of this email where you got the video. So this is one way to make a copy, is just to click make copy, and then the copy just drops into your Drive. Or you can go to one of the copies of the Foursquare form in the actual KPBST School Mentors folder or the upload folder. If you click into File, you can make a copy here. So either way will create a copy for your weekly Foursquare form. Now, after you've filled it out with all the information that you want it to have and you're ready to move it to the upload folder, all you would need to do is actually go into your Drive. Okay, there it is in my Drive. Right click on the document and you can move it that way. Now, I have shared the folder with you, so you would click into that directional arrow next to shared with me and you would go find KPBST School Mentors. Now, it's not in my list because I'm the owner of the file. You'll find it in yours. I've starred this folder, so I'm going to find it there. So there it is. So I'm going to click into that directional arrow. And now I'm in the folder. I'm going to go into Foursquare Uploads. I'm going to click into that directional arrow. And I made a test folder for the demo of this video. So then you would, again, for me, I'm going to go into the test folder. For you, you would go find your folder and then click into the directional arrow. And the folder is empty and you would click into the move here. Now, over time, there'll be many files in there. But here's an easy way to move your Google files around in Drive.